if you're doing a catch can to the S197 on the axle on the top, there's a little thing sticking up and looks like a little steel cap on it. That's the vent. What you want to do is you want to take that out and screw in like a brass fitting with a a barbed fitting, and then put rubber hose onto it. And then what I always do is I'll do at least 2 or 3 loops, and then go into the catch can. So there's sometimes that it'll push some fluid out. If it's in the loops, it'll suck it back in after it cools down. But the reason for that is the heat. Remember I told you that differentials heat up. Well, in S197, you got to have some place when heat expands, air. Just have some place for that air to get out, and that's where you do that. And you can use there. I mean, if you look on the internet, there's a number of them. We've even at times used an oil bottle. It's just anything. You can use anything. It's not really that sophisticated. Yeah, I mean, any one's as good as the other. I mean, the best ones will have, a little tube will go in and it'll be like a little air breather on top. So that the oil that comes out will go into the catch can, and you can some of the air pressure from the diff gets escaped.